Can you believe that it's still legal to keep hens in cages? Activists have covertly filmed in an intensive egg factory in Yorkshire. It's one of hundreds across the UK that still confine birds to cages. The government said getting rid of cages was a priority. But there are still over 10 million hens confined to a lifetime of suffering on British factories like this. The government has broken their promise to hens. These sites are typical of an egg factory that uses cages. The operators of this factory say they raise healthy, well-managed birds, and boast about their enriched colony cage system. But investigators found hens crammed together, stacked 6 cages high. Many of the hens had severe health problems. Swollen heads likely caused by a respiratory disease. Untreated prolapses. Birds struggling to stand. No natural light, no fresh air, no space to roam. Their confinement means they just cannot do the things that come naturally to them. And a huge number of the hens had significant feather loss, caused by pecking from stress or simply contact with the cage. This excessive animal cruelty is still legal. Investigators also found hens that had already died. Hidden camera footage proves that workers failed to do essential daily checks on all hens in the factory. This violates UK law. So these deceased hens were left for who knows how long. 28% of the UK's eggs still come from hens in these cages. These sensitive animals are caged in order to maximise profits for the food industry. The EU is already moving forward with plans to phase out cages for hens. So soon after Brexit, Britain's animal welfare standards are already falling behind the EU.